Are you looking for a career that combines cutting-edge technology with adventure? Look no further. Because job opportunities for medium-class drone pilots are booming. Medium-class drone pilots are in high demand across multiple industries, aiding in agriculture with pesticide spraying, seed plantation, crop health monitoring, streamlining logistics with drone delivery that helps to reduce expenditure, fuel, shipping, insurance, etc., assisting in mining operations with 30x faster and accurate data collection. Survey and mapping industry by taking images from multiple vantage points to create 3D models, orthomosaics, etc. for accurate data. The use of drones has revolutionized the way we work, providing us with unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. With the rapid advancements in drone technology, there has never been a better time to become a medium-class drone pilot from EduRade. The sky's the limit when it comes to job opportunities in this field. So, what are you waiting for? Join us as we explore the exciting world of medium-class drone pilots and unlock your future today. Don't miss out on these incredible job opportunities. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of medium-class drone pilots.